So he didn't give anything in this problem. Usually he used to give receipts and payments, and we used to prepare income and expenditure account and then balance sheet. And so in one problem, he gave receipts and the payments, income and expenditure. So he was expecting us to prepare a opening and a closing balance sheet. So in that manner, he will give something. But here in this particular problem, he didn't give nor receipts and payments, nor income and expenditure, nor a balance sheet. So he is asking us to prepare everything. But one thing he gave, what is that he gave is, he gave opening balance sheet. So just using opening balance sheet, we are going to prepare this one. So in the opening balance sheet, what all he gave? He gave cash at bank, which we are going to use it for receipts and payments. Government securities. So here he has given us opening balance sheet. So in these government securities, accrued interest, outstanding subscriptions, library books, furniture and fittings. So this is what he has given. And then he is on the liability side, he gave outstanding creditors, capital fund. So usually we prepare, why we prepare a opening balance sheet to know about a capital. So that is what he has given, capital fund. So that is enough for us. Then on the other side, he gave 3 different paragraphs. One paragraph consists of the transaction. All these transactions are of 2005, it seems. So received received in the form of subscriptions 2,500, then proceeds of entertainment lectures 1,000, received from interest on securities, entrance fee received, sale proceeds of old shares. So these all are of receipt items. So all this paragraph is all about a receipt item. So these things will come in the receipt side. Then paid for rent. So might be this paragraph is all about a payment. So paid for rent, printing, advertisement, petty disbursements, purchase of cash, government securities, paid for outstanding creditors, for furniture, for library books, and for entertainment 750. So all these things are payments. And the last paragraph is on 31st December 2005, the following liabilities were outstanding, it seems. So these are of outstanding. So outstanding liabilities and outstanding assets, both the things he has given. So one is printing outstanding, rent outstanding, whereas outstanding of interest on securities and subscriptions. So 4 adjustments are there for us. So now first we need to prepare receipts and payments, because once we prepare receipts and payments, automatically the income and expenditure is prepared out of it. So first we'll concentrate on receipts and payments. Receipts amount, payment amount. As on 31st 12 2005. Now first we are going to take on the receipt side what all he has given. In the receipts and payments, will not make any adjustments, as you know, just whatever he gave, just we are going to take it. But before that, always my receipts and payments is similar to that of cash book, I said. So first we are going to have balance brought down From the opening balance sheet, I'll take 3,000. Then rest all the paragraph, that is subscriptions, which were given 2,500. Then to entertainment and lecture 1,000. Next to interest on securities, which is given 475. Then to entrance fees, how much he gave? 500. Then to sale of old chairs. That's it. No, he has given nothing else he has given. So that's it. Now my receipts are done. Now payments, next paragraph, all the payments. So first buy rent, it seems. So rent, how much he gave is 600. Then buy printing, which he gave is printing, how much he gave? 150. Then buy advertising,
200, ma'am.
okay, 200. Then buy petty disbursement,
55, ma'am.
55. Then buy government securities,
2,500.
2,500 purchased. Then buy outstanding creditors, which is 425. And then buy furniture, I think, which is
400.
400. And then buy library,
300, ma'am.
library books, 300. Then buy entertainment. So buy which is that's it. Now tell me what is the balance carried out.
Total 7550.
Okay, 7,550.
Yes, ma'am.
2,170, ma'am.
Carried on 2,170.
Okay, okay, done. Now, once we are prepared with the receipts and the payments, then from looking this one, we can easily prepare which statement, which one? We'll prepare the next.
Income and expenditure.
Yes, we are going to prepare. So here we are going to have expenditure, amount, income, amount. So income and expenditure as on 31st Zone 5. So here we are going to have first capital. Already, sorry, not capital. First here I'm going to take all the income side things. So first we are going to take by subscription. So on the receipts and payments, first we have subscriptions only, no? So that's why I'm going to take subscriptions. So here by, see, do we have any adjustments? 2,500 to this one we have adjustments. Just check. Adjustments ki last paragraph chudali miru.
Outstanding adjustment.
Yes. How much is the outstanding?
325.
Yes. So this is the outstanding we are going to take of 2005 to addition 325. But here, just go to the opening balance sheet. We have a closing or opening also. I mean last year also. So last year what we'll do? Current year add cheste, obviously last year minus chestam. So outstanding of 2004 last year balance sheet lo chudandi nana enta undi?
400, ma'am.
So balance sheet enta?
2425.
2425. Okay, this is done. After subscription, we had entertainment and lecture. I don't think we had any adjustment in regarding this one. So entertainment and lecture. How much? 1,000. As it is, I'm going to take. Then by interest on securities. I think interest on securities also we have adjustments. Just check.
Outstanding 150, ma'am.
Yes. So current year outstanding. Again, see in the last year.
Yes, ma'am. 10,000. Government securities.
Last year outstanding accrued and last year balance sheet.
$125.
So ఎంత వస్తుంది balance?
500, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Then next we have entrance fee, and we don't have any adjustments regarding this. So directly entrance fee I'm going to take as 500. And sale of old chairs ante it's about furniture. Anytime we have taken a sale value of assets, ma, we'll take profit or a loss. But anytime we have taken actual sale of asset value, no, never.
No, ma'am.
So we'll just stop here. Now we'll come down to the expenditure side. So as it is, I'll look. So third paragraph, you just see outstanding liabilities. Only we have two items. One is for outstanding rent, outstanding for printing. Apart from that, we don't have any adjustment. So to rent. So how much he gave? 600. And outstanding is how much?
100.
Yes. So outstanding is 100. So it will be 700. Then to printing, we have printing also, we have adjustment, no? So 150. So outstanding is how much?
75. 75. Ma'am.
So 150 plus 75, it will be
225.
yeah, right. Then rest all we don't have any adjustments. One is to advertisement. We will take as it is 200. Then to petty disbursements, as it is 55 we are going to take. Then government securities. Government securities is asset, no ma? Anytime we have taken in a PNL?
No, ma'am.
No, it's government securities means like a investments. So we won't take it. So leave it. Next. Outstanding creditors. That also I will not take. Why? Because outstanding creditors has completed with two effects. One, please go see in the opening balance sheet on the liability side. Do you find the same on
Yes,
that
ma'am.
or not? And again on the payment
Yes.
side we have taken. Any transaction has to pass only with how many times postings?
2 times.
Now 2 times has completed. So if I'm going to take here, it will be how many times?
3 times.
So I cannot take it. So leave it. Furniture. Furniture will we take?
No, ma'am.
No. it comes
No,
in the asset. Library books.
Yes.
Lib
No.
no, library books. Books ante kuda it's a asset. They also will come in the asset.
Asset.
And entertainment, that will come here. So how much? 750. That's it. All the things are done. Now please tell me how much is a surplus.
2,495, ma'am.
Okay. 2495. And what is the total, ma?
4,425. 4,425.
Okay, okay. Now we are left over with the last one. What is that?
Balance sheet.
Yes, closing balance sheet. Please take a screenshot. I'm going to take away that one. We don't have a place to prepare it. Done. Shall I clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to go with the last statement, that is our balance sheet statement. Balance sheet as on year end 30. Now first, from the last year balance sheet, we got what? Capital. So how much of the capital we got it from the opening balance sheet?
15,575.
Okay. And to this one, usually we'll add what?
Surplus.
Yes. So how much we got surplus? Please add it. We got 2495, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So how much?
18,070, ma'am.
This much, no? Now, please go back to the opening balance sheet and check, do we have any extra items in that one? Outstanding creditors were there, ma, but already this was completed with second posting in the receipts and payments. If in that we would have not taken it, receipts and payments lo manam teeskokapothe, if we would have not taken in the receipts and payments, then definitely that outstanding creditors would come here. Okay. So already posting is completed. We'll just leave it, ignore it. Now I will see in the last paragraph, do I have any adjustments related to the liabilities? So go through it. He gave 31st December 2005, following our liabilities were outstanding. So what are those two things? One is
Printing and rent.
yes. So outstanding printing, which is 75, and
Outstanding rent.
standing rent, which is
100.
okay. Okay. Now that's it. Now come down to the our balance sheet asset side. Now this one I'll just exactly follow the way I have seen in the opening balance sheet. So in the opening balance sheet, first item we had is what? Cash. So
Cash
here
at
also
bank.
I'm going to have cash. Now how much? There it was 3,000, but we will take closing balance kada. So closing balance, how much we got? Carry down balance from receipts and payments. Receipts and payments. Opening we take, or we have taken on the debit side, na, right?
2,170.
Yes. Then after that, there it is government securities is there. So here also I'll take government securities. But before taking it, I will see there it was 10,000. Do I had any additions here? Receipts and
Yes,
payments
ma'am.
low, we missed out something. We didn't take anywhere. So that thing we'll take here, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We purchased means those are additions for us, na? Additions and extra purchases. So total
Yes,
of
ma'am.
securities are how much now? 12,500.
12,500.
Next we hear that fellow gave outstanding. Accrued means outstanding. I'll write. Accrued or outstanding means same. So accrued out outstanding interest. How much? Current year outstanding is how much? That is last year.
475.
Outstanding I want. You will get in the adjustments. Adjustments amount you should say, tell me. Or else see income and expense.
125.
Yeah. 125. Then he gave outstanding subscriptions.
400.
Yes. $400 is of last year's, Ray. I want current year's. Adjustments lo chudali.
320.
Right. Now, library books. Library books, there it's already there. How much? 1,000. Extra, how many we purchased this year? Extra, how many we purchased this year? Receipts and payments. See in the receipts and payments.
$300.
So total is 1,300. And then last is furniture. Furniture also did we purchase? Just check receipts and
Yes.
payments.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be,
400.
yeah, that will be addition. So additions are 400. But in the receipts and payments related to the something, we left it. What is that? One item in the receipts and payments we did take. Rest all we have taken. Only that item we left it. What is that?
Sale of old chairs.
Yes, old chairs means it's a part of furniture only, na? So we sold it means my furniture has reduced. So old chairs sold. So how much? 75.
75.
So how much is that? 1,800.
1,800.
So that's it. All the things are done. Just tell me the totals.
$18,245, ma'am.
18,245. Okay. Everyone take a screenshots. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
turn to the eighth problem. Eighth problem is your homework. So, the Jai Bharati Sports Club gives you the following receipts and a payments account for the year ended 31st December 2005. Cash in hand, cash at bank. Where you are going to take? Already opening balance sheet. We are going to take in what? If the capital is not given while preparing the opening balance sheet, we'll take this one there. Okay. Subscriptions will take in the income side. Tournament fund, it will be taken in the capital, means liabilities. Life membership, one type membership, so that's why it is a liability. Entrance fee is an income. donation to pavilion. Pavilion means it's a client ground. So making of that one is going to take a lot of money. So that's why it is again we are going to take as a liability. Sale of older newspapers and sale of grass, both are small minute amounts, so we'll take as a incomes. Next, on the payments, groundman salary means the person who is working as a labor, for him we are paying, so it's an expenditure. Mowing machine, usually the ground will be there, it has to be, the grass has to be every now and then it has to be cut, they have to cut it off, so that is called mowing machine. So it is a machinery, so machinery is asset, no, so that is why it is also asset. Rent is again expenditure, salaries is expenditure. Tournament expense, now here on the receipt side tournament fund is there, no, so these I said will take in the liabilities. So these expenses related to that one, you are going to minus from the tournament fund only. Okay, understand? This is a special fund or specific fund, which we have learned in the introduction time. General expenses is the expense. Sports equipment we are going to take in the expenses, ma. Usually equipment is an asset, but there is one trick how we are going to take. We will take in the expenses as well as we are going to take in the assets. So how, I'll tell you the working part. Then cash in hand, cash at bank, in the closing balance sheet, you people are going to take it. Okay. Now, subscriptions due on 31st to 2004 and 2005 respectively. So due means what? Outstanding. So please see, 1000 subscription is a minus, 1500 is a plus, 1500 is a plus, 1000 is a minus. Current year outstanding addition, last year minus, no, that's why. Subscription received also includes of 2006 it seems. We are in 2005, but we are receiving 2006 it seems. So that means it is again a advance. Advance will minus, no. So total subscriptions consist of two minuses. One is 1000, one is 300. Only one place, that is 1500. Sports equipment on hand of 2000. Equipment on hand means it is opening balance, and equipment on hand 2005 means it is a closing. So how this will be taken, I'll tell you. Please, in the income and expenditure account, you will take like this, Nana. So here sports equipment, how much he gave? He gave in the receipts and payment this much. So to this one, it's a opening kada. Opening has to be added. So opening will add. So how much is the opening? He said 1200 is the opening. So when we add it, it will be how much, ma? 2700. Then minus closing. So closing, you're going to minus it, which is 1300. So therefore, it will, in outer column, it will be 1400. In this, it will come. Now, second effect, how we are going to take. This is a first effect. The second effect, how we are going to take in the balance sheet. So balance sheet, you are going to take as sports equipment. You're going to take only 1300, the closing balance, because we know in closing balance is all we'll take here, no. So this is the first effect, you will show like this, and this is a second effect. Okay, na? Then mowing machine is purchased on 1st July and depreciation is 20%, he said. So how much he gave, how we are going to take? Now this one mowing machine, he gave how much we purchased for 1500 we purchased, ma. So minus, I'm telling about the depreciation, minus the depreciation, how much he said? 1500 into 20% into 6 divided by 12. You will do like this. Okay, understand? So you're going to get 1500 into 20% into 6 by 12, you're going to get some 150, ma. Okay, na? So these 150 you're going to have it. So in a outer column of our assets, you're going to write 150. If you're going to minus, how much it will be? 1350 ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటా. 1350 కదా వచ్చేది. మరి ఇది this is in the balance sheet. Whatever I said, this is in the balance sheet. మరి P&L లో, so this one you're going to take one more time. So one more time you're going to take here in the P&L. So ఇది first effect you're going to show in the P&L. P&L, you know, in a P&L in the sense, sorry, income and expenditure. Shivlila, have you taken attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
So this here, it will be first effect, and this is the second effect. Okay, done. Will you do it? Take a screenshot of this one also. This is your homework for today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.